gang. Happy National Rum Day. My name is David Honma. I'm the Hawaii State Sales Associate with Kōloa Rum Company. Here we are in the beautiful Hana Koa Brewing. As many of y'all know, we make a beautiful expression line of 7 core rums and 3 ready-to-drink cocktails. We first conceptualized our rum in 2006, and we first distilled and bottled our rum in 2009. Since then, we've been really fortunate. We just made 10 years, going on 11. We just broke ground on our new 45,000 square foot distillery, sitting on 18 acres in the beautiful Kōloa town, also certified organic. So really neat opportunity for us now to be able to introduce you folks to our distillery, being able to see the rum that we produce and the sugarcane we're growing on property. So without further ado, this is Nick, our mixologist from Hana Koa Brewing, who's going to showcase one of our Kōloa coffee rums in an amazing cocktail called Coffee and Kiawe.
All right. So we're going to start with our featured rum.
Pretty neat, the Kōloa coffee rum. It's made with fresh sugarcane, rainwater from Kauaʻi, and then we distill on Kauaʻi as well. Kauaʻi coffee, they make us a special dark roast that we cold brew and we dump it back in the rum after distillation. So I get a lot of hazelnut and coffee, chocolate, really beautiful expression.
And then we got the Carpano Antica. So it's 0.5 ounce each. And we're going with the Estro Soledad. Nice little smoky mezcal. Another 0.5 of that. And then 1.5 ounce Tito's. And for a little more smoke, got this smoked salt with the Kiawe. Shake that over ice real quick. Throw that into a chilled glass. And that's that. Coffee and Kiawe. Happy National Rum Day.
Happy National Rum Day, cheers.